My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the browser hijacking extension called Queryquickly. Queryquickly is a browser hijacking extension attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This hijacker changes the default search engine and other settings without the user's permission. So you need to get rid of this Queryquickly extension as soon as you can. Access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove any malicious extensions if you detect them on the list. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the site combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.